Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and the subject of today's video is how to get back into the swing of things when you're returning from vacation or getting back into the office after a long trial or just getting back on track after a significant period of change. Today I'm going to give you 3 specific things you can do to get back into your regular routine, your productive routine, your highly effective routine if you've been out of the office for a long period of time. And this is particularly relevant to me because I just moved into a new office and it's been a couple of weeks since I was back into my regular routine. So I'm doing this exactly as I'm teaching it to you. So it's going to be a great opportunity for both of us to go through this together. So here's the first thing you should do when you're looking to get back into your regular routine, a highly productive routine, after you've been away for a brief period of time. First thing you need to do is make a list of all your priorities, okay? Just sit down for 20 minutes in a quiet place and get a legal pad out and make a list of all the things you need to do. Don't be afraid to put everything on there. Make sure the list has everything you need to do. It can be a very long list. Then go through that list and star off 2 or 3 things. Mark them off. Just put a little star next to things that are critically important. This is tip number 2. Put a star next to things that are critically important that need to get done right away and focus on those things today, right now. Get the biggest obstacles out of the way first. That will make you feel absolutely great, and that will give you a feeling of momentum. So, tip number 1, make a list. Tip number 2, mark the things that are high priority off on your list and get them done immediately. Tip number 3, get back into the highly productive habits that made you successful before you either went on vacation or, had the big change, like me in my case, moving offices. So the habits that made you successful are the ones that you need to get back into on a day-to-day basis. For me, that means getting up first thing in the morning and writing a great blog post and putting it up on my blog. It means getting a newsletter out, writing newsletter content on a regular basis so that the newsletter is ready to go. All those things that I do on a day-to-day basis to market my business, I have to get back into those habits. For you, it may be something as simple as writing a post for your blog every couple of days, handwriting 5 thank you notes every day, getting on the phone and making appointments for lunch for the following week to make sure your calendar is filled up. Whatever those habits were that made you successful, you got to get back into those habits, and you have to do it right away. Critically important, don't allow a significant period of time to go by before you get back into your highly productive habits. These 3 tips will get you off to a running start after you've come back from vacation or after a significant period of change when you want to get back into a successful routine. If you'd like more fantastic productivity tips like these, or you'd like more great rainmaking marketing tips, visit me, Dave Lorenzo, at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks very much for watching, and have a fantastic day.